Hello and Namaste friends. I am Ashutosh Uprikar, HR professional. I have 30 plus years of industrial experience. Today I am sharing my experience through this video. HR. Initially it was known as P&A, Personal and Administration. Now it's called HRD, Human Resource Department. In HR, there are some important documents which are always kept updated and ready for references. Those are yearly training calendar, statutory compliance checklist, HR manual, site master file, model standing order, blue book, agreements and corporate HR policies, delegation of authority and code of conduct, handbook, personal files, LTS agreement copy, appointment letter of factory manager and factory layout, all type of formats, color coding for uniform, shoes, helmets and pipes, PMS, performance management system, tree of organization, that is for gradation and post, abstracts and display, list of record for retention period, list of board of directors with address and PAN card, HR budget, organogram, emergency and important contact numbers. In HR, there are 13 sub-departments which are divided in 6 categories. First is human resource, industrial relations, employee relations, sales HR. Second is time office and payroll. Third is safety and security. Fourth is OSC, Occupational Health Center, and CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. Fifth is General Administration, and if there is a colony, Colony Administration. And sixth is legal. In MNC companies are international HR also. So let's start one by one. Individual departments, role and responsibility. In HR, human resource. Maintain all personal files, conduct recruitment process, follow SOP, JD, JR, KRA, KPI, OKR. Prepare training calendar. Prepare monthly MIS. Arrange performance appraisal. Maintain PPR. Follow corporate policies. Maintain organogram. Control attrition rate. Prepare and follow HR budget. Full and final of left employees. And be ready to resolve all queries of all employees. Next is IR. Industrial relations. Maintain relations with all government offices for renewal of licenses. Appointment of inquiry officers and advocates. He works as a management representative. Prepare management expectation. Conduct domestic inquiry. Face different types of audits. Prepare MIS. Arrange time management study and more study. Attend recruitment process. Handle grievances. Meeting with union leaders, Mathadi and guard boards. And resolve all industrial disputes. ER. Employee relations. Attending complaints. Check background of candidates. Conduct exit interviews. Organize training program, fixation of wage standards, form POSH committee, arrange SWOT analysis, display motivational posters, attend job fair, conduct ESS, employee satisfaction survey, arrange effective communications program, and mediator between management and employees. Sales HR, mediator between management and sales team, monitoring smooth and profitable operations, prepare and follow with sales HR budget, arrange sales resource, organize training program, follow up with targets, announce target incentives, reduce stress of salespersons, follow up with customer payments, attend customer complaints, update sales returns, discuss with sales team, release compensation and benefit in time. TO, time office, supply of contractors manpower, planning and procurement, knowledge of attendance software, knowledge of HR policies and HR manual, MIS preparation, knowledge of ESIC and Mediclaim, agreement with labor contractors, control on lunch and tea breaks, issuing employees code number and ID cards. Payroll, knowledge of payroll processing, all types of salary deductions, distribution of salary slips, check labor contractors monthly bill, safety, prepare yearly safety training calendar, conduct training programs, identification and prevention of near miss, investigate Wi-Fi analysis, check fire points, fire hydrants, fire extinguishers, licenses of furnace oil, lift, boiler, chimney, LNG, CNG, LPG, weight calibration, consent of CPCB. Check and refill first aid boxes, enforce the uses of PPE kits, arrange pest control, keep hazardous material in lock and key, ensure color coding of different pipes, issue helmets in category wise, arrange EHS documentation, whitewash, maintain visit book, arrange fire and safety training program, factory layout. Security, control on man and material movement, visitors checking, eye on loading and unloading, vehicle parking, maintain all registers, updated emergency contact numbers, overall company security, vigilance around in factory premises, check fire and fighting equipments. OSC, Occupational Health Center, daily OPD, regular checkups, arrange training and health awareness program and camps, organize medical checkups and eye checkups, take care of employee health wellness, keep available occupational health therapy and medicines, keep ready well-equipped ambulance, renewal of Mediclaim policy, maintain records of biomedical waste and its biodegradation. CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility, it's a welfare activity. Educational programs on gender equality, empower women, hygiene and sanitation, prevention and healthcare, awareness program on environment sustainability, ecological balance, animal welfare, world agroforestry, slum and rural area development, encourage rural sports, protection of national heritage, art and culture, help towards armed force widows and dependents, contribution towards PM Care Fund, setting up or help towards old age homes and daycare centers, and child education. General administration. Implementation of 5S: housekeeping, garden maintenance, segregation of scraps, whitewash, distribution of PPE kits, uniform and shoes, canteen administration, run ETP and STP, update site master file and company profile, rearrangement of security checks, preparation of AGM and board meetings, maintain guest house, ensure employees transportation, visitors arrangement, taxi and hotel booking, travel booking, renewal of company's vehicle for POC and insurance, arrangement of annual functions, festivals, get-togethers, sports, birthdays, gift and prize distribution function. Colony administration, allotment of quarter, security, supply of electricity and water, maintain road, street light, temple, school and school buses, marriage hall, auditorium, senior club, society shop, gymnasium, library, playground, garden, tree plantation programs, and Ghanta Gadi. Legal. Prepare all legal documentations, all type of contracts, MIS, ME, management expectations, synopsis of court cases, legal drafting, reply on show cause notice from government offices, legal correspondence, attend court cases, drafting of warning letters, show cause, charge sheets, suspension, termination, MOU, minutes of understanding, and final agreement. In my next video, we will discuss in detail about important documents and records. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.